Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to join KCIP and to stream program. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so first of all you have to open up your internet browser. We'll go to the Kick app, but I'm just gonna open my internet browser. Just open up your desired internet browser and go to google.com, and here you have to write in KCIP and program, and then just click on the first link, and here you have to take a look at the requirements. So just log in into your account and make sure you meet all of these requirements, and then there will be an option, or if your channel is meeting or exceeding the above requirements, then you just have to send an email to kcip@kick.com from your associated Kick email. So it should be your Kick email that is associated with your account, and you have to enter your Kick username and tell them that you meet all the above requirements, and you should be accepted in the KCIP program. Make sure you know guys that it's not a guaranteed entry, but yeah, you can try and see if it works for you. So yeah guys, that's about it. If you found this video to be somewhat helpful, by the way, these are the requirements. So yeah, if you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.